start by sharing my sides. I'm going to be having these deli style wedges. They're seasoned potatoes from Great Value. Quick and easy, tastes great. Another side is going to be Brussels sprouts. These are frozen Brussels sprouts from your frozen department. These are thick cut New York steaks. You could use top sirloin if you like. I picked these up at a very, very good price. They're pretty thick. They were $13.90 something, so I went for it. I'm always looking for a good deal in the meat department and when I'm grocery shopping. So if you don't have the budget, sometimes I don't, you could use top sirloin. It's just as good. I'm going to start with some sea salt. Some pepper, some fresh garlic, and I already have my stainless steel pan heating so I could get a good sear on this. Spread this out a bit. Dry chopped bay leaves. Just going to put a bit on. Flip my steak over. Repeat everything on this side. I feel with bay leaves, you want to just do just a bit for taste because a little goes a long way, as far as my opinion. Mix that garlic around. Yeah, I'm just using a fork. Whatever works and whatever does the job. I don't know if I am pronouncing this correctly. Forgive me if I'm not, but I think it's pronounced Botticelli. Botticelli? Frying classic olive oil. I've been using this when I sear stuff and it'll say on the back that's what it's for, frying, searing, and braising. This actually works pretty good, so if you haven't tried it, try it out. These are my Brussels sprouts. I took them and put them in a colander or a strainer, whatever you want to call it. I let them defrost and just set there. They're already defrosted, almost room temperature. So all I need to do is add just a bit of water, maybe a half of a cup or less, some butter, salt, and pepper. Give it a mix. Bring it to a boil. Let them heat up. Flip my steak over. I've already turned the heat off. I'm going to check the temperature. I'm looking for 130, 135. There we go. Brussels sprouts are done. I'm going to drain the liquid out of the pot. Turn the heat off for the Brussels sprouts. I'm just going to add some butter, a bit of salt, and pepper. Give this a mix. Let that butter melt. Adding adding some oil to the pan. If you want to use a nonstick, go ahead. Salt. Pepper. If you want that classic steak and eggs with a side of potatoes, this is it. If you want something a bit lighter for brunch, breakfast, or lunch, this is amazing. Either way, you're gonna love it. So try it out, and I'll see you in my next video.